In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use tags on Constant Contact for new contacts. Tags are a simple way to label and organize people in your account, so you can find them quickly later and keep your marketing organized. In this walkthrough, you will upload new contacts from a file, add them to a list, and apply a tag during the import. Start by logging in to Constant Contact and going to the main navigation. Click Contacts to open your Contacts area. This is where you manage your lists, segments, and the contact records in your account. Next, you will begin the import. Click Add Contacts, then choose Upload from File. This option is designed for bringing in a group of contacts at once using a spreadsheet file. Now take your CSV or Excel file and drag it into the upload area. You can also use the file picker if needed, but the key is to make sure your file is ready before you upload. It helps to confirm that your columns have clear headers such as email address, first name, and last name, since those headers make matching easier. Once the file is attached, click Continue. Constant Contact will read your file and take you to a mapping screen. Here, match each column from your spreadsheet to the correct Constant Contact field. For example, map the email column to the email field and names to the proper name fields. Take your time on this part, because accurate matching helps your contact records import cleanly. When everything is matched correctly, click Continue again. After that, you will choose where these contacts should go by selecting a list. Lists are your primary groups in Constant Contact, so pick the one that fits the audience you are importing. Now it is time to apply a tag. You can type a new tag name and press Enter to create it, or select an existing tag if you already have one set up. Choose a tag name that is specific and easy to recognize later, such as a source, event, or customer type. Then click Continue. Finally, a consent pop-up will appear. Read it carefully, check the box to confirm consent, and then click Save. This step is important because it confirms you have permission to add these contacts and email them through Constant Contact. After saving, your contacts will import into the selected list with the tag applied, making them easier to filter and manage going forward. And that covers everything you need to know.